Hi, I'm Nan Simonsen. I'm a nationally board certified health and wellness coach. And I, um, well, I'm particularly excited about this announcement, and I'm glad you're here. Welcome. Some of you I know, some of you I don't, and some of you this may be your first time coming on just out of curiosity because the title of today's video is I wrote a new book, and here's why it matters. So, I'm going to, unfortunately, read most of what I'm saying because I wrote it all down and then I thought, no, I'll just talk to you. That's the way I like to communicate. If you look back at my videos, almost everything is just kind of just chatter. And I realized I'd be missing too much, so I am going to read it to you so that I don't miss what I want to tell you. And I hope it still resonates with you. So I'm happy you're here today because this video feels very special to me because I finally get to share something I've been working on quietly for the last few months and actually thinking about, or I should say wondering about, for possibly the last couple of years. I'm delighted to tell you that my new book, Aging Powerfully, The Journey Continues. This is my first book, Aging Powerfully. This one will also be on glossy stock. Um, Aging Powerfully, The Journey Continues is finally finished and it's making its official debut on December 13th, just a couple of weeks from now. Uh, but today I want to do something different. I want to tell you why I wrote the book, what has unfolded in my life over the last 5 years that made me realize that the next book had to be written. And I want to share why I believe this book will be meaningful to you and or somebody that you love or that you respect and admire and want to offer something of value to. Aging Powerfully, I wrote to celebrate 70. Aging Powerfully, The Journey Continues, I wrote to celebrate 75. Here it is 5 years later. So let me tell you um, that this book existed even before I knew I wanted to write it because of, oh, I'll just say input from people. And for a while, my not being sure how I was going to work with that. When I wrote my first book, Aging Powerfully, I really didn't know what would happen next. I wrote it as a reflection of what I had learned up to that point through lifestyle medicine, the expression of my certification as a health and wellness coach, and through my own healing, through grief and loss, through changing the way I thought about food and aging, my recovery from a eating disorder, and through the eyes of my own family. I wrote that book. That book did something extraordinary that I wouldn't have expected. It wasn't just my book. It became a conversation between me and the world. And it opened doors for me. Over the past 5 years, so much has changed. I became nationally board certified about a year and a half ago. Lifestyle Medicine, the clinic with which I've worked since January of 2019, became Blue Zones Health. We went from 4 doctors who were practicing lifestyle as medicine to now we have over 3,000 doctors who respect the tenet that the body will heal itself if it's given enough of the right things, and that food is medicine and medicine can be our food, as Hippocrates said. 3,000 doctors, and we announced last week that we are now going to expand from the California, I'll call it healthcare market, to the nation. And so we have gone national. So look for Blue Zones Health in your area as we continue to expand. And I'm, again, proud of that. And I've used this word before, and it's true, serendipitously. Um, the Blue Zones Corporation offered our city, Riverside, California, the opportunity to become, and actually we went after it, they went after us in a good way. We were vetted, it took 2 years, but the opportunity to become a certified in a nationally recognized blue zone. And we have 5 years to qualify. Well, they heard about me, I heard about them, we merged, and I'm now an active volunteer to help make that happen. That certification will happen after 5 years of yearly expectations of the integration into our city of the nine power points, the nine um, commonalities that all the blue zones in the world have that include um, plant-based medicine, that include community and the family ties, those things that I've talked about now, going on 8 years as a health coach with training in lifestyle medicine. So my city now is a blue zone. I grew my YouTube channel to almost 12,000 people, something I never would have expected. I walk deeper in the pillars of lifestyle medicine, not just a whole food plant-based diet, which I've embraced now for going on 8 years. Well, actually, it is 8 years, it's over 8 years. Um, but also all of the pillars, realizing that everything in our life affects our thoughts, emotions, and therefore our body. And we can control so much of that when we learn how. And many of you know this. I went through 2 cycles with Dr. Brooke Goldner and um, her autoimmune recovery program, her rapid recovery program, her recovery protocol. And it was transformative. My inflammatory markers that whole food plant-based couldn't touch because they were autoimmune and intractable at that point, I thought. Um, it fell. The thyroid antibodies went way down, and that I had had for 15, 18 years. Hashimoto's, my clarity, my energy, everything got a boost, and I'm so grateful to it. And just a few weeks ago, or from in a few weeks, I'll be 75. And a birthday, this birthday to me feels like a celebration because it's also a milestone in personal evolution. I feel stronger emotionally and physically than I have felt in decades. How do you say that at 75? Um, as I lived through these years, I realized something. Aging powerfully wasn't finished. My story wasn't finished, and the conversation wasn't finished. People kept asking me things like, okay, Nan, you feel stronger than ever, so what's next? What does aging powerfully look like today? How do I take what's in your first book and actually apply it to my life daily? I've heard that. Can you give us tools, maybe things to think about, to reflect on, to guide us, something that we can use regularly? That's when I understood the second book was calling me and that I had to write it. I'll tell you exactly what this book is because it is different in the best way. Aging Powerfully, The Journey Continues is not a traditional book that you sit down and read from cover to cover. It's a personal reflection guide, weekly and daily and weekly workbook, an inspirational companion, a mindset tool, lifestyle compass, and a gentle teacher that can return again and again as you need direction, as I have through these last 5 years, as I will for the next 10, 20 years, knock on wood. Because reading changes your thinking, but practicing changes your life. In this book, you'll find short, powerful teachings, simple lifestyle medicine insights, reflective questions, uplifting stories, prompts to help you reconnect with meaning, small daily choices that build vitality, resilience, clarity, and joy, and encouragement for you to craft your own version of aging powerfully. It's a book that you can keep on your nightstand, take with you on a walk, especially if you know there's a bench along the way, use in a quiet morning moment, give as a gift to someone that's starting a new chapter in their lives, and return to again and again as life evolves, even year after year. This is why you may want this book. I wrote it for you if this resonates. You want to feel grounded and confident and hopeful as you age. You enjoy personal growth, reflection, and journaling. You've started making lifestyle choices and want to keep going. You're looking for clarity and direction for the next chapter of your life. You want inspiration, not pressure. You want something gentle but powerful to guide you and your habits. You liked my first book and you want a companion to deepen that journey. You want to give someone a meaningful, wellness focused gift this year. And you're ready to live with more intention, more joy, more strength, more purpose. This book is for anyone who wants to feel empowered rather than overwhelmed, and hopeful instead of discouraged, and supported instead of alone. And most of all, is for people who know that the latter half of our lives, those later chapters of our lives, can be the most meaningful, vibrant, and beautiful of all. I was in a group, and they were people of my later of their later years, and somebody said, "Boy, I'd love to go back to this age or that age." And somebody said, "What about you, Nan?" I don't want to go back to anything. I loved my life. There were things that I could have, should have done better. Um, Things that thwarted growth, like my eating disorder, that I conquered in 2018. But I love this part of my life. My husband and I had the most interesting conversation. He was eating his breakfast. I was drinking my smoothie. It was this morning. And we were talking about how we are in lockstep, how we are synergistic in our way of viewing our life, in our way of understanding that movement matters. We're in agreement that a plant-based diet will keep us healthy longer than anything else we could adopt, and we love it. Are we swimming upstream as it relates to what happens around us, behaviors of others, social norms around food? Heck yes. I mean, our society tells us that we are the outsiders, but you know what? We love how we feel. We love, he's not my age. I'm almost 75, will be January 9th, and he is a year and a half younger, but we're both old. I mean, you're in your 70s, and everyone thinks you're old, so I'll take it. The point being, we love that. This is what I was most emphatic about this morning, that we, unless something unforeseen happens, we are both in step with living another 10 or 20 years, and more importantly, wanting to. I'm excited about the next 20 or 30 years. Well, I better say 10, 20. Excuse me, or 30 years. Um, People do go into their hundreds, and not pitifully, but with gusto and loving every minute of it. And then they live, and body just gives out, as opposed to, I was with somebody yesterday, and man, what a wreck. Because that person is living the standard American lifestyle, eating the standard American diet. He is in his 60s, and all he could talk about were these things that were going on, all the doctors he sees, how bad he feels. He looks terrible. Um, and I thought, man, Doesn't have to be that way. That's my mantra. It doesn't have to be that way. Okay. So why am I releasing this on December 13th? It's coming out then for a few reasons. It gives the book time to grow into Amazon's algorithm. It allows people to gift it for the holiday. It leads beautifully into New Year's resolutions and January intentions, and it aligns perfectly with my 75th birthday, which feels symbolic and wonderful. This is a season when people reflect, reset, and reorganize. This book is timed to support that process beautifully. So, Aging Powerfully, The Journey Continues, comes out on the 13th of December, just a couple of weeks from now. Today is, what is today? What is today? The 3rd of December? 2nd, 3rd. Next week, I'll release a more detailed promo video with reviews of the book, um, that help you understand more about what it is, sample pages, and everything you'll want to know before launch day. I'll also have a link for you. I was hoping to have that today, but it's just not ready. A link for you to be able to put in a pre-order. If you pre-order the book or order it on the 13th, because it really helps the algorithm. And this book was a Amazon was an Amazon #1 bestseller for its category. Well, I'd love to see this do the same thing, and that is set by volume um, on release day. And so if you purchase it before as a pre-order, or if you purchase it and they're the same price, $13.99. Actually, Aging Powerfully, the first book was $13.95, I think. Um, then I will have an option. One of the things that I think that I've produced that is one of the most valuable things I've produced is 7 hours of training in the kitchen. Um, Breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, tools for a kitchen, um, and 28 recipes, 28 of my favorite recipes. That is on my website for $29.99. That you can choose for free, or I'm also doing a 7-day health reset uh, PDF that you can use as a great way to start the new year, and one or the other will be yours for free. All you would have to do is order it on Amazon and then um, send me the receipt, copy paste the receipt, and I'll send one of these. You just tell me if you want the 7-day reset or if you want the Cook, Eat, and Live ebook. And I think that's that. Uh, from my heart to yours, thank you for being here. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your ongoing trust with me and your health. Let's continue to age with power. I love you, as Dr. Robertson says in 2.0. I ended this last video this way. Love is an abiding feeling toward another with whom we connect, and we can have moments of connectivity and love with people throughout the day. And those moments of love 2.0, have as much power to help us remain healthy and connected and not lonely as those deeper relationships we have with those people in our lives that we've always associated with that word. So I love you, and I'm thanking you for being here. And I'll say, have a great day because I know I'm going to stay tuned. You'll hear more about the book. You'll get a link for a pre-order if you'd like it. I think it would make a great holiday gift. And oh, it's going to be an Audible as well. Chef AJ is going to have me on my birthday, hopefully at 2 o'clock. She's hoping, well, she's working on that time, and we'll do something fun on January 9th to celebrate. So that's it. Appreciate you. See you later. Bye bye.